be anything from buckets to umbilical cord clamps.
Field Ready is really about trying to solve the supply chain problem.
We realized that some of the new technologies like 3D printing can actually be moved out to the field. Having the ability to manufacture, to make items directly on site can really be transformative and allows people to have capacities that in the past could only be dreamt of. Field Ready is providing humanitarian aid by improving logistics and supply chains.
Producing products on demand in the onset of disasters.
Additive manufacturing is taking a 3D design that could be a scan, so you can literally capture the form of something that already exists, or you can draw something from scratch.
That was all of what, like 3 minutes?
That then gets processed and sent to a machine that interprets the design and adds material where it's needed. You can go from design to a finished part in basically one step. You can give it a different design every day, every minute, and it will make you a different thing.
Right now, we're using basic desktop 3D printers. These are sort of made for the do-it-yourself type of people.
We've prototyped 6 different designs today. We made one, we tested it, we went, oh, it's good, but if this clip was a bit more solid, that would be better. Okay, change the design, print another one, 10 minutes later, that's a better clip.
The items that we can actually manufacture tend to be small, but the ability to make many different things is what's really unique about it. As long as we have a basic power source and the designs, we can fabricate virtually anything that would be needed.
Real Hope for Haiti is a small clinic up north. They provide women in the agriculture areas and out in the mountains where they have no access to hospitals with birthing kits. So they've asked us to provide them with umbilical cord clamps. And this is really useful because they can then print an umbilical cord clamp in less than 8 minutes.
It's a standard tension that can be used. It's easier to keep clean and to help mother and baby stay healthy and safe and infection-free.
So now Mark is showing the guys the prototypes of the clamp, and so they're gonna learn, they're setting up the printers to do the prototyping and testing.
The speed and resolution and mainly reliability of these 3D printers is improving all the time. You can 3D print seals, so there's flexible materials can be printed, carbon fiber reinforced parts to make stronger parts. There's photosensitive resins that can produce much higher quality prints, so we'll be able to produce even more detailed and precise medical components.
One of the most exciting things we're actually looking at is recycling.
Shredding plastic, whether it's waste plastic or previously used prints, melting that down and extruding our own filament.
By doing this, we're able to be both environmentally friendly and keep some level of sustainability going. You know, when anyone sees it for the first time, they're kind of like, wow, look at that. You actually just made an object out of software.
Oh, you see the black?
It looks great to me.
One of the